Alright, so I discovered that there was a knocking sound in cylinder number 4 from the top end. You can't hear it from the ear that well, but if you put a mechanic stethoscope to it, you could hear it in that cylinder. And I've cracked the injector line where the fuel's spraying out, and it didn't make a difference. And I'll try and show you guys. Maybe I could put the stethoscope to my phone and you might be able to hear the knocking. But I'll try it out here. Give me a second. Alright, I'll show you a few other cylinders, how they sound. Alright, hold on here a second. Try and set this up. All right, here we go. Not sure if you're able to hear it, but there's a knocking sound in there, and you know, I'm kind of worried that it's a piston pin, or I don't know what else it could be. But your input would be appreciated. And I mean, if I have to get this engine rebuilt, you know, how much usually is it? I mean, I found some places where they, I mean, not places, but saw some people on the Cummins forums saying that no, they got theirs rebuilt for $3,000, $4,000. I mean, I hope that's true. If I can get it for that, because you know, I don't have the tools over here on base to rebuild my engine, so I'd probably have to go take it to somebody. Plus, I don't, you know, I've never actually rebuilt a diesel engine before, so you know, I have to get experience on that first. But your help's appreciated to try and help me figure out what this is, and if you think it'll be okay just driving on it or not, because I mean, this is my only vehicle besides my motorcycle, and that's it. My old Ford, that thing's toast. That thing had a really bad knock in it, and that thing's just going to the junkyard because I don't have time or money to do anything with it. But please tell me what you think. Thank you.